And with that, it's over. Sialkot Stallions are the champions of the Super 8 T20. Shoaib Malik has once again led his team to another title.
The champions of Pakistan, Sialkot Stallions, yet again their 8th trophy in 14 tournaments, and the Lahore Lions, unfortunately for them, they've not been able to put up a fight. The joy is obvious on the Sialkot team.
And the big test now for teams going forward is that this team, this young team, surely this isn't it for them. In Osama Amir, in Noman Anwar, in Mukhtar Ahmed, they've got a spine of youngsters who can lead this team for another decade. Shoaib Malik has done really well promoting these youngsters, has done really well captaining this team, and once again he'll finish with a Champions Trophy.
Yes, the performance from the Sialkot Stallions team has been brilliant. Overall, everyone has chipped in. Bilawal Bhatti was brilliant with the ball in the semi-final and the final. Shoaib Malik's captaincy has been outstanding. Bilal Asif was the man who scored the fastest 100.
Indeed, and particularly Noman Anwar, the highest run scorer, Osama Amir, the highest wicket taker. Both of them have been outstanding.
Pleasantries being exchanged by the two teams. And everyone knows who are the deserving champions of Pakistan are. The Sialkot Stallions have outplayed every team in this tournament. There was a hiccup in the middle, but they recovered admirably, scoring 240 in the next match.
Indeed, it was the induction of Bilal Asif that really changed the face of this team, where they had two hitters at the top, suddenly they had three, and with Haris Sohail coming back to partner Shoaib Malik in the middle order, the batting lineup just seemed too strong, and it was too strong for everyone they faced. Sialkot Stallions are your champions.
And the crowd appreciating the champions.
The crowd, which Rehan Ulaq mentioned earlier, has been partisan towards the Sialkot team. The Lahore Lions not exactly beloved here in Faisalabad because of episodes in the past. Right now, Sialkot Stallions are the toast of Faisalabad.
Victory lap all around the stadium, thanking the crowd that has backed them throughout this tournament. Even the first match, Shoaib Malik thanked the crowd of Faisalabad for supporting his team. And they've been excellent throughout this tournament, so has been the crowd. Flashlights everywhere in the crowd, taking pictures of their heroes.
One of the stands has started clearing up, but still almost 80% of the stadium is filled as Sialkot Stallions complete their victory lap, a well-earned victory lap at that.
Also, Jima, the two most encouraging moments in this tournament for me have been the standing ovation the crowd has given to Osama Amir and then Bilal Asif. Both of them deserved that. Two players who have not represented Pakistan internationally, but still the response from the crowd has been very good.
Indeed, and the difference between Sialkot Stallions and the other teams has been that their big players have also stepped up. Tonight, Noman Anwar scored an extraordinary 97, but it was his partnership with Haris Sohail that helped them to the 197 they finished up with. By comparison, if you look at the Karachi Dolphins batting lineup yesterday or the Lahore Lions batting lineup today, all the big names failed quite spectacularly.
Another thing the Sialkot Stallions have shown in this tournament, names do not win you tournaments, performances do.